Hi, how are you? Today we are going to do a scenery, circle scenery. So now we do a big circle here. Then we draw a straight line here. This is the ground at the bottom. We can draw a tree here. The tree is on the ground. These are the branches of the tree. It has lots of leaves, and we can see the village in a far distance from the drawing. So from left to right all the way we draw the village. We can put the regular hedge to make the village visible. This will be the sun, and also two palm trees in a far distance. All right, we can put little shades on water here. Also you can put shade in this side too. You can put little shades here. The tree would be like this. We need to draw a little details here. Let's put some grasses at the bottom. There's a boat here on the water. The boat is darkest of all. There are platform on the boat and two sticks, long sticks here. Alright, we can get little shades here too. This is the detailing on the branches of the tree. Alright, as we drew more details on the branches, we see the tree more lively and better than before. Alright, now we put little shade with the pencil here too. Make the ground little darker. Let's make the water blue here. Let's put dark blue here. Alright, this sky is blue too. The village in far distance is green. This is the boat and the ground. The trees and the ground is green too. Alright, now let's make the sun red color. I put a little shade here on the ground. Okay, so this is the drawing. I hope you guys like it. Please do practice and practice for more accuracy and more perfection. Please subscribe my channel for the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Have a good day.